In this video, I will show you how to get the pumpkin token in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go on your device and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, at the moment there's currently an event which is called Pumpkin Prowl, and this is running for an additional 2 days and 6 hours at the time of recording. So this is actually a limited time event. Now, what you need to do is basically go around and roll your dice on Monopoly Go, and when you start rolling your dice, what's going to happen is when you land on these spaces that have these like pictures down here, so you can see these little tokens of these scarecrows, what's going to happen, that's going to be added to this event bar. So if we actually press onto the event bar, you can see the different milestones. So you can see at the moment my next milestone, once I've received 150 of these tokens, will be 230 dice. Now eventually what's going to happen, you need to go quite far into this event, but once you keep rolling, you're actually going to unlock this token, which is the Jack-o'-lantern pumpkin token. So all you need to do is basically keep rolling your dice and landing on the spaces which have these scarecrow tokens. So you just want to go around the board like so, and when, as I mentioned, when you actually land on the spaces that have the tokens, I'll see if I can get one now. Like this one, you can see it's added 20 to this bar, so of course that would be one of the milestones. Now you can see here that when you achieve the big reward milestone, you get 6,500 dice, you get some stickers there, and you also get the token. So you just want to keep playing through, basically landing on the spaces that have these scarecrow tokens like here. Of course, the more you increase your multiplier means you'll achieve this goal quicker, and you just want to go through, keep doing that until you unlock the big reward, and once you complete the big reward milestone, you will then be able to go ahead and unlock the pumpkin token in Monopoly Go. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.